Very good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are very good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your video, Shilam? Rumeza, on your video? Yes, very good. Sit properly. Okay. Take out the mathematics textbook and running notes. In last class, we discussed about divisions. Okay? Divisions. Yes, okay, Ishwar, good afternoon. In today's class, I am going to explain 7th unit fractions. Okay, 7th unit fractions. 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 Okay, stop the message, children. Wait. Listen first. All of you sit right. Kanishka, sit properly. Okay, listen to me. Fractions. This topic is new topic for yours. Okay. What is the meaning of the fraction? What is the meaning of the fraction? I did not take. Okay, what is the meaning of the fraction? First, listen children. Once you observe me first of all. Okay, I have one full of chalk piece. Yes, this is chalk piece, full of chalk piece. Now I am doing this chalk piece equally two parts. Okay, here what I did, two parts. First, this is one of the chalk piece. Yes, is it correct? First, this is full of chalk piece. One chalk piece of chalk. What I did, this first one chalk piece, I did two parts. Yes. Now I am giving to this part of chalk piece. I am giving to Ishwar. Take Ishwar. Okay. Here I given to one boy or girl. Okay. This is I given. Now I have how much chalk piece and I given to one boy. That boy how much got chalk piece? Yes. Now I have half chalk piece. Yes. Is it correct or not, children? Yes. This is full of chalk piece. Full of piece of chalk. This piece of chalk I given to first. What I did? I did two parts. Two parts. I given to this half part. I given to another one. Then he got half part of chalk piece. Yes, I have also half part of chalk piece. First, from full of chalk piece, we did two parts. Then I given one part of chalk piece to another one. The another person get half chalk piece. Very good. I have also half chalk piece. Half, H-A-L-F, half. This half, H-A-L-F, half. In written, this like that. Next, in symbolical. How can we write in symbolical? 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. First, full of chalk piece we did two parts. I given one part to another one. The boy got 1 by 2 part of piece of chalk. So, what is the meaning of the fraction? From these explanation, what is the meaning of the fraction? Yes, a part of a whole. The part of a whole. What is the meaning of the fraction? The part of a whole. A part of a whole. What is the meaning of the fraction? A part of a whole. Sorry. Part of a whole. Whole means total. Okay? Full of object. Whole means total and full of object. First, total chalk piece. This is whole. Whole of object. This is one of the object. Whole. This is whole. A part of a whole. A part of a whole means I did two parts. I did two parts. I given one part to another one. The another person got half chalk piece. Half piece of chalk. That is part of a whole. Okay, part of a whole. For example, in our houses, okay, parents means father or mother, they will bring bananas or cake or chocolates. These things our parents will bring. Then what we do? For example, Ishwar. In Ishwar home, how many members are there? 3 members. His sisters, 2 sisters are there. Okay. Then this is the one of the chocolate. Okay. Or anything. You have to imagine anything. This is the one of the object. This object, this chocolate is for the drink. After those one, what they did? One chocolate only have. So what did they? 3 parts. Yes, equally. They want to take equally. Then what did they? Yes, they did first 3 parts. Okay. Yes, 3 parts. How many parts are there? 3 parts. One part is taken, one ball. Next another part taken, another girl. Next another part taken, another girl. Okay. First here 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Ishwar. Ishwar got how much part of chocolate? No, Ishwar got 1 by 3 part. 1 by 3 part. Part of anything. Next here. Manisha. Manisha also got 1 by 3 part of thing. 1 by 3 part of chocolate. Next, Nirma. Nirma got 1 by 3 part of chocolate. Here 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. These are equal parts of an object. Just 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. These are equal parts of an object, a thing or anything. Here. This 1 by 3 is fraction, part of a whole. One part of a whole from total. Whole means here is 3 parts. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. From 3 parts, each one got 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay? This is fractional number. Okay, this is fractional number. 1 by 3 is fractional number. Fractional number. One more example. I will explain one more example. This is one of the roti. one of the roti. In this roti, we have to divide 4 parts because of the 4 members are there. How can we take the 4 members equally? First, there is 4 parts. Next, one more. Yes, here how many parts are there? 4 parts are there. Yes, is it correct or not? How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 parts are there. Yes. First, one member taken 1 by 4 part. 1 by 4 part. 1 by 4. Because here 4 parts are there. Yes, 1 by 4. Next another one, 1 by 4. Another one is 1 by 4. Another one is 1 by 4 part. 4 parts. Total 4 parts are there. But the 4 members, how can we get each part? Each part. That is called 1 by 4 part. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 part. Next, another person. 1 by 4 part. Next, another person. 1 by 4 part. Each one got 1 by 4 part of roti. Here you have to think here. This is you imagine roti. So 1 by 4 part of roti. Another person also 1 by 4 part of roti. Next another person, another person. 4 persons are there. That's why each person got 1 by 4 part of roti. Here 1 by 4 also fractional number. Okay. Here 1 by 3, 1 by 4. 1 by 3, 1 by 4 are fractional numbers. Here 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Next, some more fractional numbers. Say some more fractional numbers. 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. These are also fractional numbers, etc. Are fractional numbers. Fractional numbers. Here 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. How can we write 1 by 3 in words? 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. Write in words. Next, 1 by 4. We can write it 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. Next, for example, 2 by 5. 2 by 5, how can we write? 2/5. 2/5. 5th. TWO2 FIFTH. 2/5. This is inverse. This is fractional number. Okay, this is inverse. This is fractional number. In numbers, numeration and notation. Okay. First, what is the meaning of the fraction? The meaning of the fraction is a part of a whole. A part of a whole. Part from a whole. Part of a whole. Whole means total object, total thing. One of the full of object also. Okay. Whole means full of object, full of thing, total. From total, we have to take part. That is a part of a whole. That is called fraction. Okay. Now here I taken one of the chocolate. I did here 3 parts. I given to 3 members. How can they get equally 1 by 3 part, 1 by 3 part, 1 by 3 part. Okay? Each part only from 3 parts. So how can we write in fractional number? 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Next is same. I given one more example. Here, one roti. But here 4 members are there. They did 4 parts. First of all, they want equally roti. So, but then one only have. One roti only have, but 4 members are there. How can we take? How can we divide in 4 parts? First we have to do 4 equal parts. After we giving to one part to one member. 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 That part, how can we write? 1 by 4. Okay? In fractional number, 1 by 4. That is called fractional number. 1 by 4. 1/4. 1 by 4, 1/4. Next 1 by 3, 1/3. That is inverse. 1 by 4. Each one got 1 by 4 part. Here one number, 1 by 4 part. Here this is fractional number. Fraction means a part of a whole. Okay, fraction means a part of a whole. Did you understand, children? Okay, in next classes also I will explain. Then you will get it. Here 1 by 4 part is fractional number. Here 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 3 by 7. These like numbers are called, such numbers are called fraction numbers. Here 2 by 5 inverse, how can we write? 2/5. 1 by 4, 1/4. Next 1 by 3, 1/3. Okay. First, introduction of fractions. This is introduction of fractions. Now from given figure to how can we write fraction? Okay, from given picture to given figure to how can we write fraction? How can we show fraction? How can we write in words? I will explain. First, write down, children. First, what is the meaning of the fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Exercise 7.1. Write the fractions. Okay. First, for each figure, write the fraction that shows the parts which are shaded. Write the fraction. See first figure, children. What is the first figure? See once here. This is the first figure. Yes. Here, how many parts are there? First, this is triangle. Yes. Is it correct or not? This is first one triangle. Here, how many parts are there? In one triangle? Yes. Very good. 2 parts are there. Here, in 2 parts, how many parts are shaded? How many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. Srividya, how many parts are shaded? Yes, 1 part. Yes, half part, 1 part. Okay, first of all, 1 part is shaded. So how can we write fraction form? How can we write fraction form? Now I am writing. Once you listen, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Shaded parts by total parts. Shaded parts by total parts. Total parts are 2 parts. How many parts are shaded here? 1. So write 1. This bar is called by. Bar is called by. 1 by 2. Okay, this is called by. Okay, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is 2 total parts. Total parts. In given figure, how many parts are there? We have to write here. Okay. Next, how many parts are shaded? One part is shaded. So we have to write above bar. Above bar. One is we have to write above bar, and 2 is we have to write below bar. This bar is called by. 1 by 2. Next. See one more figure. First, this is one of the circle. How many parts are there in this circle? One of the circle, but how many parts? I am asking about parts. Yes, very good. 3 parts are there. Okay, in these 3 parts, how many parts are shaded? Yes, one part is shaded. Yes. Okay, first here, one of the circle. This is one of the object. Here, how many parts are there? 3 parts are there. Next, one part is shaded. So, how can we write fraction form? Shaded part fraction. You are asking shaded part fraction only. That's why we have to write shaded part fraction only. Very good. Balike Shrutik. Fraction form is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Shaded parts are we have to write above bar. Next, total parts we have to write below bar. 1 by 3. Okay, this is about shaded parts fraction. Fraction form of shaded parts given in figure. Okay, next one more figure. The first, how many parts are there here? Yes, 4 parts are there. Here, how many parts are shaded? How many parts are shaded? Okay, total parts are 4. Yes, 2 parts are shaded. How can we write fraction form? Shaded part fraction. Shaded part fraction. 2 parts are shaded. Total parts are 4. That's why we have to write 2 by 4. Very good. Balika Shruti. 2 by 4. The fraction form is 2 by 4. Total parts we have to write below bar. Next, shaded parts we have to write above bar. But we have to read 2 by 4. This bar is called by. 2 by 4. Okay. Here 4 is denominator and 2 is numerator. In next class I will explain about numerator and about denominator. What is numerator? What is denominator? In next class I will explain. First, just you have to what I am saying, listen. Just this is bar. Below bar, we have to write total parts. Above bar, we have to write shaded parts. This is shaded parts fraction form. In given figure, shaded parts fraction form. Did you understand, children? How can we write the fraction form? How can you write fraction form from given figure? If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Okay, understand. Very good. Next, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, up to 12th one, you only write, children, in your textbook. You complete in your textbook. Just you have to write fraction form, shaded part fraction form only write down. Only shaded part fraction form. Okay? In next class, in tomorrow class, I will explain inverse and what is numerator and what is denominator. I will explain. Okay? I hope you understand about of fractions, introduction of fraction. Only I said only introduction of fractions only, and from given figure, how can we write shaded parts of fraction? Okay? I hope you understand, children. Okay, thank you, children.